most people are not aware, but we actually have something called Kundalini energy. They call it the coiled serpent. It's a little sleeping serpent at the bottom of your spine. And if you look at the medical doctors, they have this logo with two snakes going up and meeting like this, and there's this staff in the center. That's actually a symbol of the Kundalini, the sleeping serpent that wakes up and coils up through your spine and comes up and actually opens up to divine consciousness, etc. Kundalini is life force. Everybody has Kundalini, and to a more or less degree. Most people are having like 10%, 15% of Kundalini. When the Kundalini is moving up through the spine, it's going through the chakras, the energy wheels in your body. And every time it moves through, if it's in an upgoing movement, you're actually experiencing the positive side of that emotion that this chakra is associated with. So for example, in the heart, you're experiencing an emotion called love. So when the Kundalini moves up, you're experiencing the love. When the Kundalini moves down, when it's sinking, you're experiencing fear or anxiety. So it's a very mechanistical situation actually. All the emotions you're experiencing are either an upgoing experience of the Kundalini or it's a down moving experience of the Kundalini. And that's where all your emotions are coming from. And so what the yogis found out a long time ago is that there's a way to actually manipulate these movements of energies, and you can actually enhance or you can say expand the amount of time in life that you're experiencing more of the positive side of the emotions than the negative sides of the emotions. So you do that by raising the Kundalini, and you can do that through breath work, meditation, service for others. There's many forms of yoga where you're actually raising the Kundalini to a big degree or a small degree. But of all these systems and ways to raise the Kundalini, what I highly recommend to do is breath work and meditation, because these are proven to work over thousands and thousands of years. So if you want to change how you feel about things and the way you're thinking, the way you're feeling, your emotional life, etc., then I recommend you to look into breath work and meditation. It's very powerful tools. So if you've been wanting to learn how to meditate but didn't know how to get started, if you wanted to do breath work but you don't know really what it is and what it can do for you, well then this is a golden opportunity for you, because you're going to have a weekend where I'm going to teach you both, and it's for free. So you can just show up and you can take what you want and leave the rest, and it's entirely up to you. So I invite you to come. It's for free. Please also invite your friends and family. The more the better. We're going to do some stuff together that's going to raise the consciousness in the whole group. It's going to be really, really interesting. I've done this before many times, and it's always an epic experience. So if you resonate with this and you're curious, you have nothing to lose, just join, and I'll see you on the other side.